took a crab taxi from our hotel to Jenny's grandma's place, and no one knows that we're coming. It's a surprise. Only Jenny's cousin know, and she have keep the secret for like a month, and soon we're gonna go to surprise them. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ủa sao về mà không nói vậy? Hello.
Ai đang nói?
Hả?
Hello.
Party á là chiều đó có người nhận đồ.
Trời đất.
Đây.
Trời ơi.
Thấy cái này hèn gì
Hay
quá
quá.
mày thấy.
Về mà nó không nói. Chết. Về mà không nói gì chân. Đó chứ. Làm cho. Trời đất.
Thôi đứng chờ. Thôi chờ lấy.
Về mà không nói gì chân vậy. Trời ơi. Hàng chị bà con Tây con ba hỏi thì mấy bữa nay chị Tây có gọi bằng gọi không? Không. Vậy mà nó không báo mẹ nó luôn.
Hàng thôi rồi chứ. Chắc chiều nó có hàng giờ chứ có.
Đúng rồi đấy.
All the side alleys also is kind of have restaurants and bars and cafe where people can go to eat. For example, there's a sushi omakase place, and there's a bank.
Before this area have a lot of big nice houses and now it's turned into more restaurants and like the place for the young come around and eat, and so even what they have in the city center, they also have the restaurant in here.
Yeah. You can see like this coffee place example, full of motorbikes, so they might be extremely busy with the customers, and basically all the restaurants here extremely busy.
But from that small alley and small street, they have a lot of coffee shop, like really local. It's fun to look around.
Now we're going towards the river.
And that is kind of an exercise hall where we have a swimming pool, morning swimming pool. Yeah. And now we're heading into the river.
You kind of find usually it's good to go like after there's cars have come and there's only motorbike.
Especially in the corner, they turn really hard. So Yeah. Just a little bit small.
Yeah. We came into a big shop to find something to drink, or maybe we'd go to get a ice cream. As I saw the cold section, we have plenty of everything. The other side, täällä. I can spot ice cream from far. Here they have more like big boxes. No, they have also some small. You can visit. Ano ba? So this is our hotel building. It's on top of the cafe in the 4th floor. And gladly we have a elevator in the building.
Back to the hotel or guest room, or I don't know how it's called. Yeah, it's guest house. Tab 2.
Don't mind the mess. Now you guys can see that we have a bed, we have a closet, fridge, TV, then we have our bathroom. Pretty simple. Toilet in there, shower in there, towel, sink, nothing fancy. But yeah, this is our room for next 10 days, 8 days, between there. Yeah. I will take that.
Exchange your ticket for drink or food. Drink or food.
Drink or food. So we can like do some kind of antique shop in here. They also have food places and cafes and everything. This is only in weekends, is in Saturdays and Sundays. Is deep in deep somewhere in Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah,
We will maybe put the location.
address.
Yeah, we will put the address. It was quite hard to find at first, but we're here now. So I got this from the vintage market. I don't know, can you guys see, but yeah, kind of vintage Santos. It's look pretty nice and it's working. It's a hand widened watch. Yeah.
Trong bán ông nói là mạ vàng.
That is only thing that I buy from there.